allowed?
It is. It's not allowed inside the school. Only you. What did you do to school? May school sila kahit umuulan. Kakauwi lang niya. Kenny, what are you doing?
Playing.
Pinagkukuha niya yung ibang mga
Playing games.
foods.
Playing games.
Eating games.
No. No. We cannot play games. Because
Where's Gabriel?
school.
Nag-school din. Flying kiss mo sila. Nagdo-domino.
Let's do it again.
What do you want?
Makeup.
Makeup. Oh, close your eyes.
Glitter.
Yeah, close. Gusto daw niya ng makeup. Laging nagpapali-makeup si Aling maliit. Close your eyes. To make a man. Wow. Oh, look.
The
What?
sprinkler.
What?
It's too much. That
Glitter. You don't want too much?
one. No.
Close your eyes. Not too much ka pa, ha?
Not open because it's my turn.
Yeah. Yan. Like that only?
Yes. Like princess, like last day.
You want me to comb your hair?
Yes, like princess.
Like a princess?
Yes.
Wet pa yung hair mo eh.
I want to be princess. To be
You want what?
princess.
Like that?
Yeah.
And then like that?
Yeah.
Wet pa yung hair natin eh. Yeah, like that.
How about like comb?
You want comb? Your hair is still wet. You want me to blower it?
Yeah.
You know this? Ano lang to ha, cold. Dito mainit. Cold to. Is it hot or cold?
Comb.
Haba na ng hair mo, pero ba yan? In-straight ko yung hair niya sa ano. Kasi curly-curly to, di ba? Oh, wow. Ang cute. Sino ka dyan? Sorry. Wow. Are you pretty? Who's the prettiest?
Candle.
Wow. What? You don't like to sleep? Why? Para pagdating ni Kuya Brayden, so when Kuya Brayden's arrive, you can play.
I want to play too.
6 a.m. gising ka na.
I want to play with Gabriel right now.
Kuya Brayden's still school.
I want right now.
Go to sleep na. Ayan yung susutin niya sa Pilipinyana sa buwan ng wika. Color pink. Nice. Buti nga tama lang yan eh. Ganda. Pretty naman ni Kendall. Para kang... Oh, turn around.